What's up YouTube, this your boy Steve. I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be polishing exhaust tips. So as you can see, they are really bad. I haven't cleaned these exhaust tips in a long time. They've been on here for probably about 6 or 7 months. But the first thing we're going to do is wash them and get all the dirt off of them that we can. I have my soap here. We're going to spray them off and wash them. So as you can see, they done came a little cleaner already just by me washing them off. Just rag and soap. So what we're gonna use is the Mag and aluminum polish made by Mothers. It does a pretty good job. So I use microfiber towels from Walmart. Yeah, multi-purpose towels. And you can see, this is just the first wipe down. I didn't even have to polish. I just put some on a rag and wiped it, and you can see how clear that is and how clean it is. So here's the finished product, and you can see it look a whole lot better. There's a small spot that I couldn't get right here, but overall it looks good. So as you can see, this is the passenger side, and it looks a lot worse than the driver's side did. So we're gonna repeat the same steps. We're gonna wash it, hand wash it with soap and water, dry it down, use a microfiber cloth, apply the polish it out, and around the edges, we're gonna wet sand this with 1000 grit, 1500 grit sandpaper. So stay tuned. All right, so we got it dried down. Now it's time for the wet sanding. So here's the results after the wet sanding. And this side came out a little better than the driver's side did around his lip, but it looks a whole lot better. Thanks for watching. There will be more to come. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and I will have videos uploaded every day.